How to delete your account on Microsoft Teams. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can go ahead and delete your account for Microsoft Teams. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to get a disclaimer that Microsoft Teams is a part of Microsoft ecosystem, and if you have a Microsoft account, you can't individually delete your account from just one Teams software. If you decide to do this, you will have to go ahead and shut down your entire Microsoft account. So fair warning. So for that, just go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account. And over here, once you've signed in, once you've logged in, come over here onto the left-hand side, and here, go to your info. And here, you're going to scroll down. You're going to see that you have the close account button. All right, if you click on it, it's going to take you to this web page. This is the support page. Here it's going to tell you if you're sure you want to close your account, then you got to go ahead and follow this step. First, sign in, and to start closing your personal account, click on this button. If you're prompted to sign in order to verify, follow those instructions. Check the page to show the correct Microsoft account and click next. Read the list again, checkbox. And once you've reached each item, choose to have your account reopen one of these dates or days, and then in the selector region, just select one of the account and click on mark account for closure. And that's it. So click on the button. It's going to take you to the account setter. Here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and make sure that you want to go ahead and delete your account. Select the option, and just in case you change your mind, we wait 30 days, and then click on next, and then select one of the options. All right, choose them, and you'll lose access to some of the services attached to this. Reinstall music, digital games, subscriptions, earned Microsoft certifications, Skype, all of those. So confirm, check all of them, and then select one of the reasons. I use it for Microsoft accounts. I don't need this one. And then just simply click on mark for closure, and there you go. And that's it. After that, your account will be marked for closure. After 30 days, your account will be deleted if that's what you've chosen. If you haven't, then you won't have to worry. So it's as simple as that. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you can go ahead and delete your Microsoft account for Microsoft Teams. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.